RingLead's Field Trip allows you to analyze the fields of any standard or custom object to understand your Salesforce org's field usage so you can make quick improvements to your field utilization and overall data management in your Salesforce. I'm going to show you how to install and use it. The first step is to search for Field Trip on the Salesforce App Exchange. Then, click on Field Trip. Click Get It Now. Then, log into your Salesforce if prompted. Choose where you would like to install the application. Confirm your installation details by agreeing to the terms and clicking Confirm and Install. Then, log into your Salesforce again if prompted. Then, choose who has access to the application. Now, the installation is complete. You just have to open the app and add the remote site. If you are using Salesforce Lightning, you need to open up your application launcher and search for Field Trip. If you are using Salesforce Classic, you need to open up your tabs by clicking the plus icon. Then, find and click on Field Trip. In the top right, click Add Remote Site. Then click Save and you're good to go. Now, Field Trip is officially installed. Let's use it. So, I'm going to open up Field Trip the same way I did before. Once it loads, right in the middle, I'm going to click New Field Trip. Now, I'll be prompted to give my Field Trip task a name. Then, I will enter the API name of the object that I want to scan. And, FYI, Field Trip is able to scan any standard object and any custom object. In this video, we are going to scan the fields on my lead records. Now that I selected the object, I'm just going to click Save and Analyze to run the Field Trip task. It will take a few seconds, and to view the results, I have to select Back to Field Trip. And now I can see the results of my most recent Field Trip task. Immediately, I can see that the per field analyzation on my leads yields a 28 overall data quality score. And right here, if I click Go to List, I can open the full detailed field analysis on my lead records. And boom! Now I can see which Salesforce fields are the most populated on my leads, and which Salesforce fields are populated the least on my lead records. And that's it! If you aren't satisfied with the amount of unused and incomplete fields on your lead records, or whatever standard or custom object you scanned, you can schedule a free consultation with one of RingLead's data experts. Thanks for watching, and may clean data be with you!